fridge won't close, so we have to chip the ice out. The freezer won't close.
And it's been going on since October.
I know the food's going bad for like the 8th time.
10 months.
10 months.
Crazy, eh?
Crazy.
Crazy. Look at. Who's gonna? Yeah. I have to take everything out. Sasha, I've taken everything out because it was all like, look at it.
And this is like the 5th or 6th time this has happened.
I've called them 100 times.
I did.
They never get back to me, Maytag. It's actually Whirlpool. They never get back to me. They never call me.
They don't have any answers?
They don't have any answers.
Authority to give answers. It's called, let's be evasive.
We have to leave this under because it drips all over the floor and ruins the floor.
Look, it's ruining my floor.
Look at the floor.
Yeah.